Welcome to SAIR Playground. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the playground to complete a full testing and refinement workflow. First, please make sure that you have registered a SAIR account and completed competition registration. The playground is designed for testing and experimentation only, and results generated here will not count toward the official competition leaderboard. Our system provides daily free credits for your testing, and these credits will reset every day at midnight UTC. To begin testing, go to the top navigation bar, click Competitions, and select Playground. Next, choose a cheat sheet. You can either select a predefined template or customize your own reasoning strategy in the input field. Your cheat sheet is visible only to you and your team members. Then, select an AI model from the list. After that, choose the problems you want to test from the public training set. You can also create and test your own custom problem set. When you're ready, click Run to start the evaluation. The system will call the selected model for each problem and return the results automatically. On the results page, you will see performance for each problem, including the model's verdict, runtime, and resource usage. Based on these results, you can update your cheat sheet and run the evaluation again. Iteration is key to improving performance. You're now ready to use SAIR Playground to test and refine your strategy. Start experimenting and prepare your submission for the Mathematics Distillation Challenge.